Let's start with a question. If you had the choice between manifesting $1 or $10 million, which one would you choose? Now, it seems obvious, right? But here's the interesting part: the process of manifesting either amount is surprisingly similar. What truly matters is how deeply you believe in your power to create abundance. That belief is the key to achieving your dreams, whether big or small. Belief is like the key that opens the door to possibility. When you believe, it allows your mind to accept that something is within reach. It changes how you think, how you feel, and ultimately, how you act. If you can believe in the possibility of abundance, then you're already setting yourself up to attract it. That's where this whole journey begins. Now, I want to talk to you about abundance. Something that belongs to each and every one of us. Abundance is far more than money, it's love, health, happiness, and every bit of goodness in life. The real journey to abundance begins in our minds. The beliefs you hold about yourself are the seeds of everything you wish to create. When you look in the mirror, do you see someone who is worthy of all the good things life has to offer? Because if you do, you're already opening the door to your dreams. The universe responds to your self-worth. If you believe you deserve something, you begin to draw it toward you naturally. Let's remember that abundance flows when we align our thoughts with what we truly desire. When we do this, we're stepping into our own power. And I promise, the life you dream of is waiting for you to claim it. When you look at $1, what do you see? Some might see scarcity, but I invite you to see potential. Every single dollar is a symbol of abundance already on its way to you. It may be small now, but with the right beliefs, that $1 can open doors to so much more. Abundance isn't about a number, it's about perception. If you believe in scarcity, even $1 million won't feel like enough. But if you choose to see abundance, even the smallest amount will remind you of the limitless possibilities available to you. So, as you look at that $1, say to yourself, "This is the beginning of my abundance." With that shift in belief, you're telling the universe that you are ready, open, and worthy of receiving all that you desire. Let's talk about one of my favorite practices, affirmations. These are powerful, simple tools that can transform your life. Think of words as seeds. Each affirmation you say is like planting a seed in the garden of your mind. When you say, "I am open to receiving abundance," you're nurturing the belief that abundance is possible, and you're preparing to welcome it into your life. Our minds are incredibly powerful, and they respond to the words we tell ourselves. Start using affirmations like, "I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer," or, "Abundance flows to me easily and freely." Say them with conviction. Say them every day. With each repetition, you are rewriting the story you tell yourself about what's possible. Remember, these words are creating your reality, moment by moment, and abundance is already on its way to you. Let's take a moment to use our imaginations, one of the most powerful tools we have for creating our future. Close your eyes and picture yourself holding $10 million, not just $1. Imagine it's already yours. Feel the joy, the security, the freedom that this abundance brings. Breathe it in deeply, and let yourself believe in this moment. Visualization allows you to feel and experience what you desire as if it's already here. This isn't about wishing, it's about aligning yourself with the life you want to live. By feeling it now, by allowing that joy and excitement to flow through you, you're telling the universe, "I am ready." Visualization is a way of stepping into the reality you're creating, and I promise, the universe is listening. You must believe, at your core, that you are worthy of all the abundance, love, and happiness you desire. So often, we look outside ourselves for validation, thinking we need permission to have a beautiful, abundant life. But, my dear, you are already enough. You are deserving, simply because you exist. Start affirming to yourself, "I am worthy of abundance in all its forms." Say it often, and feel it deeply. Know that the abundance you seek isn't just for others, it's for you, too. When you embrace your own self-worth, you naturally attract the things that reflect that worth. Remember, abundance is not something you chase. It's something you attract by knowing you deserve it. Now, let's talk about a simple but powerful daily practice: affirmations and journaling. These small habits can make a big difference in manifesting your desires. Each morning or evening, take a few moments to speak affirmations like, "I am open and ready to receive abundance," or "I am worthy of all the good life has to offer." Write them down in a journal. The act of writing helps to solidify these beliefs in your mind, making them part of your daily reality. As you do this regularly, you're reprogramming your thoughts, shifting away from limitation and stepping into possibility. Through this practice, you're telling the universe that you're serious about your intentions. Each day, affirming your worth and desires creates a powerful energy that draws your dreams closer. Remember, consistency in these practices invites change. Here's the truth: abundance is yours when you're ready to claim it. Believe in your worth, visualize your dreams, and watch the magic unfold. The universe is listening, and everything you desire is already on its way. Step into your power, trust the process, and let abundance flow. Your dream life. It's right within reach.